Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best workbench on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Workmate Portable Workbench, the BLACK+DECKER. Workmate has provided a mobile work surface for weekend warriors and pros alike since its debut in the 1970s. Much of its design remains the same today. The Workmate retains its classic foldable metal frame and wide-set legs, which create a rock-solid base. The hardwood work surface doubles as a sizable and versatile vise capable of gripping large pieces, with its rotating pegs and dual handle controls. The vise can be angled to grip irregular-shaped objects. The Workmate's benchtop features 2 height positions to suit a variety of projects. Its sturdy, heavy-gauge steel frame gives it a maximum capacity of 350 pounds, while rubber feet keep this workbench firmly in place. When the workday is over, this portable unit, weighing 14 pounds, folds flat for easy transport. Let's start out with our big complaint. Assembling this workbench was a nightmare, and quite a bit of the bench is plastic, but once assembled, it actually worked really well. The built-in jaws were secure, and we like that it was incredibly lightweight, just 14 pounds. It's probably not the most durable model on the list, but for the price, the BLACK+DECKER Workmate has a lot to offer. Pros: very lightweight. Once assembled, it's easy to use. Built-in jaws worked well. 350 pounds maximum capacity. Cons: assembly was a nightmare. Number 2. Keter 197283 Folding Table Workbench. A portable workbench should be lightweight enough to move from place to place easily while also sturdy enough to handle heavy-duty use wherever it may land. This adjustable workbench folds up to a compact carrying case with sturdy handles for easy access in the garage for weekend hobbyists or as a travel workbench for professionals. The polypropylene resin construction is surprisingly strong. It can be used for multiple activities, from a sawhorse to a tall tabletop that can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Another bonus? It unfolds to 21 inches by 35 inches by 29 inches in under 30 seconds. Reviewers consistently give this workbench high marks and say that it's durable, versatile, and can withstand heavy duty. It's packed with extra features too. There are 2 12-inch adjustable holding clamps, aluminum legs for adjustable height options, and a small shelf to hold tools or kits. We like the built-in clamps and the lower shelf for its convenience, but the compact design also makes it easy to stow away. The biggest benefit is that it's rock solid in use, despite not having non-slip feet. If there's room for improvement, it's that the clamp guides aren't as smooth or easy to use as we'd like. Pros: heavy-duty weight capacity. Very easy to set up. Built-in clamps and shelf. Sturdy, compact design. Cons: guides for clamps are a bit finicky. Number 3. WORX Pegasus MultiFunction Worktable and Sawhorse. The fact that this workbench has thousands of positive reviews online speaks for itself, but it takes our number 1 spot for its versatility, supportive structure, and compact design. It's also one of the most affordable and portable workbenches out there. It can be folded and unfolded when needed for quick projects or jobs at other work sites. The Pegasus Multifunction Worktable is loaded with other great features. 2. It quickly converts from a sawhorse that can take up to 1,000 pounds of weight to a worktable that can hold a hefty 300 pounds. The legs lock so that the tabletop won't sway as you saw or build. The Pegasus comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs that are mounted onto the 775 square inch tabletop. It snaps shut to a slim 5 inches in depth and 32 inches in height. The plastic stand is reinforced with aluminum for a sturdy structure. We also like that we were able to link this table to other WORX tables, providing a longer work surface. Also, popping the wings down to use this workbench as a sawhorse is a breeze. Our only complaint is that it should have a carrying handle at 30 pounds. Pros: no assembly required at all. Built-in high-quality clamps. Comes with clamps and dogs. Works as a sawhorse or a table. Cons: no built-in carry handle. Number 4. 2x4 Basics 90164 Custom Workbench. If you're looking to have complete control over the materials and overall build quality of your workbench, then don't pass up the 2x4 Basics 90165. This is a custom workbench that doesn't include any lumber, just the brackets, legs and shelf attachments, and while this will take you longer to build and install, it's hard to beat in terms of flexibility and building something to your liking. Aside from the actual workbench table, it even includes brackets for building a shelving unit on top of the table. All this amounts to an option that allows you to use the best workbench plans to create a fully customizable working space. The included legs and brackets are built extremely well and they're extra sturdy to handle whatever you choose to build. They're made from heavy-gauge structural resin that enables each shelf on the table to hold up to an impressive 1,000 pounds. The legs are also made with 90-degree angles so you can simply use 2 times. For lumber without any miter or angled cuts, if you like DIY work, you might want to also check out the Best Plastic Restorer. Pros: best DIY and highly configurable, extra durable legs and brackets, doesn't require miter or angle cuts. Cons: lumber not included. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Workmate 425 Portable Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER series of Workmate workbenches have been around for years and have withstood the test of time. They are a highly worthwhile addition to any list of workbench solutions. This particular model, the BLACK+DECKER Workmate 425 Portable Workbench, can support 550 pounds, has an extremely sturdy frame, and a trusty clamp system that you can operate with one hand. The clamps may be adjusted together or separately. The Workmate also comes with 4 adjustable swivel pegs that support a wide variety of shapes by holding weird-shaped or rounded materials securely. The top also can be folded upright to secure large surfaces that you may be working on, such as a door. This workbench has a heavy-gauge steel frame, dual height adjustment, and it folds up easily for simple wall storage. It can transform into a spacious workbench or a bench tool stand for ultimate flexibility in working on your projects. With its steel and solid wood construction, the BLACK+DECKER Workmate 425 Portable Workbench is a nice change of pace from all the injection molded plastic workbenches out there. Pros: one-handed vise operation, adjustable height option, holds up to 550 pounds. Cons: lever springs may catch fingers.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.